How to add friends on Duolingo. Let's get started. Launch your Duolingo app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Click on this icon given at the bottom right corner. Now click on this option of profile. With that you will land to your profile page. Now over here you will find this option of add friends. Click on it. Now from here you can easily add friends on your account. All you have to do is type in the username of the person that you want to add in your Duolingo account. Or also you can use contact list or invite friends to Duolingo. If you want to do so, you can click on these options, or else you can just type in the username of the person that you want to add in your account. After you type in the name, just search for it. With that, different options will appear. Here towards the person that you want to add, click on this icon. With that, I have just added this person to my account. By following the same steps, you can add different person to your Duolingo account. Well, this is how you can easily add friends on Duolingo. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.